Good evening, folks.
Hello.
Skay and I went grocery shopping tonight. Well, I went grocery shopping. Skay came with me because I'm a child and can't do it by myself.
It was the last time you went by yourself without me.
What did you say?
It was the last time you went by yourself without me.
Many weeks ago.
I like going with people, so it's all good.
And because we're the best friends ever, we collected... I'll give you a second.
Sorry.
Because we're the best friends ever, we collected the little toys for Rachel because Rachel is a child.
Doesn't want to collect it for herself.
Yeah.
So we have to...
Skay texted Rachel to see if we could open them, and she said only if you open them on the blog. So here we are, opening on them on the blog.
Do you want to open this one first?
Yeah.
We have no idea what it is.
Yeah.
When we're waiting for you to... We text you, Rachel, and we're waiting for you to get back. I was like, I really want to know what it is because I thought it might be the dishwashing detergent, but I really wanted to know. And so I like opened it up a bit and like had a quick peek, and then I glued it shut again, waiting for you to reply. I know what this one is, but it's
Mind
the
you,
best one ever. It's a small
Potato gems.
This is my haul.
I
I want potato gems now.
Skay said it was laundry dishwashing detergent, and I was devastated. I was like, no, I'm getting cool ones for Rachel. They're not allowed to be lame dishwashing detergent. And then it was potato gems. So
This one is. It's like a little like rich.
you said it was coffee.
Yeah, but I might be wrong.
I wanna guess. Do you have the paper?
Yeah, I got it. It comes in every one.
No, it's a square, isn't it?
Yeah, but like feel the like top like weird ridgy part like up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I feel like it could be because that one doesn't have that. So I feel like it's the pasta sauce.
I am gonna say.
What are you gonna say?
Could be the coffee.
Coffee? Alright. The pasta sauce. How cute is that?
Aww. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Wow.
3 seconds. There
we go.
Yeah.
Look how cute.
Pasta. There we go. Ha 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 ha.
Now she has 5?
She has
5. AKA we're the best friends ever, and
yeah, you're welcome. I got told off again.
Yeah.
So...
If you work at Coles, just be nice to people. Get their toys.
Yeah, gosh.
Oh my goodness.
So nice to people.
Anyway, tune in next week to. You need to go to sleep.
No, I don't.
You've yawned like 3 times this clip.
I'm always tired. All right.
Tune in next week to see what little shop toys we get.
I look great today. Oh my gosh, what the heck. I haven't showered yet today or brushed my hair, or it is like 9:45 a.m. and I've been doing emails for 2 hours. 2 hours. It took me 2 hours to go through my emails. I didn't even have that many. They were just like, each one was kind of more time consuming because I'm doing some things at the moment, exciting things. But yeah, it was just, I hate emails so much. I'm like so close to hiring someone to do my emails for me, but I feel like that's a little bit dramatic, so I'm not going to, but I want to. Today it's Wednesday, and usually Wednesdays are my no work, no uni days, and I've actually had really productive days at uni for the last 2 days because I have big breaks in the middle of my classes and stuff on Monday and Tuesday, so I've been using that time to actually get uni work done. And so today I can pretty much, I had to do a couple uni work things, but I can pretty much do like whatever I want, and I'm gonna try and use this day as a YouTube day to kind of get myself sorted so that later in the semester I don't have to get stressed, or hopefully, like that's the plan, but we'll see if it actually turns out that way. So I've spent the morning going through my emails, I cleaned my study, I cleaned my bedroom, I put my washing in, I have to go hang that out now. It's just kind of like a get it done day, but also a hopefully a YouTube day if I can get it done. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's good in the hood, as the kids would say. Actually, I don't think anyone says that, but I just said it. I'm gonna go keep being productive. Hopefully look a little bit better than this by next time I talk to you, but no promises. Catch you later.
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing?
Taking. I'm up.
Oh, why?
What is that on your?
Is that a spider? Oh, dang it. It's moving.
Still alive. We're gonna kill you when you sleep.
I mean, don't be dramatic. What are you gonna do this afternoon? No. You can just go to bed early tonight.
Can you edit my intro for me?
You're not speaking
Can
English.
you edit my intro for me?
Yeah, that would be $300. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. You sit really far back.
My models. Please don't kick them in.
Look at you. I I leave you for 2.5 seconds and you become a burrito.
Don't forget how big my head looks like usual.
You're closer to the screen.
Now it has look the same. I just want to get out my work clothes into pajamas or clothes to look the house.
You're not going to be productive in your pajamas.
I know.
Get into
but I
real
want to
clothes.
be. Look at my shoes. These are 3 months old.
They grow up so fast.
Many hours later.
So, I've been playing around with Facetune. I have the app on my phone and I've never used it to change my body at all on an Instagram photo. Like, I've never used it for that, but I have used it to make backgrounds wider and stuff like that. However, I found the little tools that you use to enhance, change, whatever, your body or your face or whatever, and I've been playing around with it and changing people's photos to make them funny, and this is one that I just made for Skay, and I think it's one of the funniest things I've ever seen in my life, but also one of the scariest. So I'm about to go get her reaction to this photo.
Oh, that's so funny. Wow.
George, want me to make you one?
Probably so.
Hey guys, it is Friday today. It's currently 6:37 in the, oh, you couldn't see that at all. 6:37 in the morning and I just got to uni and I only have one class today. Friday is like my favorite day because I only have one class and it's a really interesting class. It's like debates and discussions and stuff, which although I like hate talking, I love listening to people's opinions on this topic because it's all about like why we think the way we think. It's so interesting. But anyway, you probably don't care. And then this afternoon, after I finish, I'm just gonna hang out at the library for a few more hours and then I'm gonna go meet my mum at a shopping center and we're going shopping for her because she needs an outfit for a wedding that she's going to, and so we're just gonna make it a little girls afternoon, hang out, and then tonight I just have you. But I think I have some packages to pick up at my PO box as well, and I'm hoping that they're all there because I'm so excited, like so excited to pick them up. Yeah, I think that's the plan for today. I'm really excited. It'll be a good day, but for now I need to go study. I have a quiz today in my class, so I want to make sure I'm prepared for that. I've already studied for it, but I want to study some more. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey friends, what's happening? It is currently 2:09 p.m. and I finished at uni. Had a great time. Actually, it was like really boring today, like really boring. I thought it was going to be super fun and exciting and it was really boring. I have just gotten to the shopping center where my PO box is, so I'm gonna go check my PO box. I'm really excited. I really hope they have the packages that I want. It's really just one package, but I also think that one of my like university textbook things is here, so I'm really hoping that's not the package. If there's only one, I really hope it's my clothes. I also want to like do a little bit of shopping here while I'm here, which is dangerous and I probably shouldn't, but I really want to. And I have like an hour or so to kill until I start hanging out with my mum, so let's go. So I just picked up my packages and what? I don't know what this is because I definitely didn't order it, so we're gonna have to see what that is when I get home. I know what that is and I know what these two are, but oh my goodness, I've never had such a big haul. I had to get a trolley. The lady at the post office was like, you might need a trolley because you're quite small and these are quite big, and I was like, okay, I'll just go grab a trolley. And she's like, okay, no worries, and she was super nice, but oh my goodness. So I went in shopping and I shopped for a solid 15 minutes before I realized how much I hate shopping and trying things on now. I used to love it, but I hate it now and I just do everything online. So I decided to just come chill in my car until I hang out with my mum. But I want to open this because I just really want to see what it is and I don't want to wait till I get home. But this box, it literally doesn't even fit in the thing, and I didn't order it. What the heck? So I'm gonna try and open it, but I can't get it in the frame. It's very well packaged. It's not heavy, it's just like very large and in charge. That's so satisfying. You're not gonna be able to see this at all. It's very lopsided right now. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. That is huge. It's actually from Dermalogica, which is so incredibly exciting. I'm not working with them or anything. They just asked me if they could send me some stuff, and of course I said yes. So let's see what this is. I really should have done this at home, but I'm just so impatient. How do I open this? It's like a door. Oh my goodness. Oh no, some of them fell out. This smells so good, first of all. Wow. Meet Clear Start. Formulated with medicated ingredients and soothing botanicals for real results. Now featuring 2 new innovations designed to banish breakouts and blackheads for your glowiest skin ever. I'll show you guys a little bit closer. So these are the 2 new products, and I'm assuming these ones they already had. So they have a breakout clearing foaming wash, a breakout clearing all over toner, oil clearing matte moisturizer, skin soothing hydrating lotion, and then the 2 new ones are a blackhead clearing fizz mask. Fizz mask? That sounds so interesting. And a breakout clearing booster. Interesting. I'm so excited to try these out. Thank you so much, Dermalogica, for sending this to me. I feel like I talk about my skin a lot and how I don't really like it, but it has been getting a lot better recently, and I'm excited to try these out and see how they go for my skin. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later because there are people parking next to me and I look like I'm a crazy person. Having coffee with Mum. Do you want to say hi to everyone? Hello everyone. We just went shopping. Mum found a few new things. She got a leather jacket. Very exciting. I just knew you guys would want to see her because you guys love her so much. Hey guys, I'm just here to end off the vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. I really love this vlog. I thought it was a bunch of fun. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon. Goodbye.